unogona kuzvisimudzira mhepo nekuda kwekunyepa. Kune vamwe vanhu, kune mamwe mafamily asinganyeperwi. Mwari vava vanenge vachinamata vanhu vavo muhombe. Munogona kunyepera hama dzako, munogona kunyepera vadiwa venyu, munogona kunyepa, but kunyepa kune vamwe vanhu vanobelieve in their own lies. Unozvisimudzira mhepo. Zviriko zviya guys zvekuti mhepo dziriko ende dzinosimuka winds zveshuwa. Musadzidza kwa vanhu vanonyepa, kune mafamilies asinganyeperwi. Zvazvinoita ndezvekuti kana murume asingakufariri anobva akuroora. When a man doesn't like you, he will marry you. And then obva achitanga kukuhurira uri mumarriage imomo. Zvekuti unosvika pauta benzi, vamwe vakadzi vanenge vachiziya mubhurugwa memurume wako vakakutarisa so. Vachiti mai avanongoganza nhema. Ava zvisho unenge uchiganza oka. Unonzi akuzvipiko ineye murume wawo asingatogoni uya. Zvipiko unobva waitwa famous fool. Varume vanotita mafamous fool. Akuroora. Anotokuposta. Unompostawo. Somehow. But unenge ungori famous fool. Vamwe vakadzi vachinyatso vanenge vakutozvibvunza vana marwe vanenge vachirara nababa vekumba kwako kuti ndo zvaanoganzira iyo performance yemurume wake yaya. So when a man doesn't love you, when a man doesn't like you, he will marry you so that you can be his fool. Kana wakaita lakire kuroorwa neasingachiti akuroora, it's okay. But a lot of men unenge uchingoshorwa nevamwe vakadzi usingatozivi. Unenge uchitoita kuti 10 plus 10 is 20 But kune vamwe vakadzi unenge uchitongonza neye murume wavo uya anotanga uya asati uya. So guys, this is Mabrijo, munhu akanyadziswa nemurume musi wemaroro. I'm just here to tell you that musi wa 29 August in Wedu City Sports Club, I'll be there. Me, Mabrijo, I'll be there live. Chloe Chiuta anenge aripo futi straight out from Australia. Women empowerment. Guys, yangu yekuti tiudzane zvechokwadi kuti as a lady tinogona kunge tine zvinhu zvatakamboenda going through a lot, but hazvititadzisi kuita women empowerment. So Gweru, make sure matenga matickets, make sure tasangana, make sure tasimbisana, make sure tafara, because at the end of the day chinodiwa mental health yedu kuti iri okay here. Tifare. Wedu City Sports Club, Chloe Chiuta straight out from Australia will be there. Mabrijo will be there. 29 August. Ukaona wakutoti August. August. Will be there.
Right, it's okay. I'll talk to you some other time. The far and the Tara Neo Chris.
Thank you for coming.
Andiriga. No pressure wangu. Offer the sons and one wako.
Miracle.
Yeah. Minana. She's so lovely.
Thank you.
No, it's all right.
Okay, dear Edwin, thanks.
All right.
Okay, so who's next? Let me check. Guys, let's do question and answer. How much is lion? Is it not $400? $400 to $300, I'm not so sure. What do you use for your skin? I use Vaseline. I use Vaseline, the original one. And so underneath the Vaseline is a base. The end of Andaso is the glow on top. That's what I use.
Really?
What?
Thank you, Try, for that. Me. How can my Mbinga request to play with me? What are you doing? My Mbinga. My Mbinga. Just a moment. I'm not
not doing this. You're not doing a leak down to that.
Just open. There you are, my charger.
Guys, what times
I
two?
miss you, my charger. My charger. It's been a long time. Whoop! Thank you, Mia.
Guys, what times
Guys,
two?
let's all double tap. I didn't know that I'm cold. I'm winning. I'm winning, guys.
Winning where?
We
Guys,
are
what times
winning.
two?
We have 14 and you have 2.
There we have 15 years.
You have 2 right
Guys,
there.
let's go.
You have 2. Oh no, what a wonderful 2. Jeez. Now you have 8.
Who's doing that?
Guys, let's go together, fam. Let's all
Guys,
double
let's take
tap.
this. Thank you, Tatenda Mama.
Ashley, thank you.
I see
Ashley,
you.
appreciate.
Sandra, thank you.
Arthur, thank you, Arthur. Appreciate. Okay, thank you so much. Arthur, appreciate. Thank you so much. Muchiluka so. Rosara pani. Rosara. Sarah.
Thank you, guys. Kendra, thank you for taking this.
Rosara. Manye tita kutotera zvema university.
Munashe, thank you, guys. Let's take the screen.
Pakati pedu pane achaluza.
Panaja Chimudi, man.
Manaja chi. Guys, let's all double tap.
Guys, can I have 1 rose?
Let's all double tap. Let's all double tap.
Can I have 1 rose?
Guys, we need 1 rose, okay?
Guys, we need 1 rose.
1 rose, fam. 1 rose. 1 person with a rose.
Guys, can I have 1 rose? Yo, guys, thank you for tipping. Guys, we need 1 rose.
1 rose, fam. We need 1 rose. Somebody with a 1 rose, please. Don't do me like this. Oh, gee.
Guys, can I have 1 rose?
We're not gonna get the rose. Are we serious? Mia.
My Binga is in the building. That don't die. Thank you.
If I come there and then I look inside, you don't have a rose. Are you serious?
Unozoti varoya vangofambe manheru chete. Varoya vanofamba kana masikati. Ende vemazona vanhu vachitombotyeka.